Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful stationery shop layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Stationery Shop Layout Pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. There are some high quality mockups included, to which you can also find the PSD file in the blog post, which is listed in the description below. And if you want to lay your hands on this beautiful layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. Now over here, you will find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Stationery Shop Layout Pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that are included within this layout pack. So these are all available in Divi, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So say for instance you really enjoy this landing page and you want to use it on your own website, you can go to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now when building a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page, and we're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item over here. Now over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Stationery Shop Layout Pack. Click on it. Select your layout of choice and click on the green button that says Use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your website ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options to make design changes to your page. So say for instance you want to add some scroll effects to the columns over here, you can do that easily by opening the row settings, going to the column settings, going to the advanced tab, going to the scroll effects, enable some horizontal motion over here. And you can do the same thing for the second column. Go to the advanced tab, go to the scroll effects, enable horizontal motion, and you can modify these values as you want. So let me just change the starting offset and ending offset, and just like that we have a beautiful animation going on scroll. Let me just show you guys, and you can basically do that for each and every design element on your page. Play around with Divi's built-in settings and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.